Hi everyone, today we are going to make a little cute polar bear. Look how cute this guy is. He's so cute. And we're going to make him out of white model magic. So it is pretty easy, so you can just follow along. I'm going to set this guy over there. Get your clay, roll it into a ball, and then you kind of want to make a sausage, okay? We're going to be dividing it up into thirds. So we need 3 equal parts out of this one piece of clay. So I'm just going to mark a little spot there. That looks good. I'm going to take off this piece and then take off 2 others. And you can put them down on your table and see if they're all equal. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. The head doesn't need to be huge, so this one looks a little smaller. I think I'm going to use this for the polar bear's head. So I'm just going to roll that into a circle and put it aside. That's going to be for the head, okay? Now we're going to start working on his front legs with this piece. And we still have one more piece. I'm going to put that aside. So what you need to do, again, is roll it into a sausage and divide it in half. Okay, so he needs 2 front legs. And look what I'm doing here. I'm flattening the tops and the bottom. And I'm squeezing the side. Now this is too short. So I need to roll it to make it a little bit longer. But then I need to make sure the top and the bottom are flat. They need to be stubby little sausages. If they're skinny, they're not going to work. So I'm going to say, yeah, that's pretty good. So, okay. So I have 1. Now I need another one just like that for the other leg in the front. So I'm going to roll it into a sausage. I'm going to flatten. Just take your thumb and maybe your pointer or your middle finger and just turn and flatten the tops and the bottoms. Turn, turn. It's almost like a Tootsie Roll. I think Tootsie Rolls, yeah, Tootsie Rolls are flat. I like Tootsie Rolls. Okay, so once we have that, we have those 2, we could add them to the polar bear. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take the head and we're going to put one leg on here and press it on, make sure it's on there. And then take the other one and you're going to press it on, and you might have to smush it a little bit this way. Okay, and smush it together so that they're both on top of the head. Now, the reason they need to be fat and short like little sausages is because this needs to be able to stand up, okay? Your polar bear needs to be able to kind of stand up. He's not really standing up, he's sitting down, but he needs these 2 front legs to be supporting him, okay? So that's it for that step. We're going to put that aside for a minute. And now we're going to work on these 2 back legs, okay, that are coming off on the sides, and that shows how he's sitting down. So again, you're going to do the same exact thing again. You make a sausage, divide it in half. Same thing again. We're going to make a sausage, and we're going to just flatten the tops and the bottoms, okay? These don't have to be as skinny. I mean, these don't have to be as fat as these legs, okay? They can be a little skinnier, okay? They could definitely be a little thinner. So this is a little thinner. And what we do is we take it and you put it on the side of one of the front legs, okay? Just like that. And I just press it into the back. So I wrap it around the side of one of the front legs, okay? I'm going to put it down, okay? I didn't make this foot part yet. We're going to make that in a minute after we get the other leg attached. You're going to roll it, flatten the tops and the bottoms. Like I said, it doesn't have to be as fat, so it could be a little skinnier, okay? Take this guy and wrap him around. Just make sure you press him into those other legs so he stays in there, okay? So now we need to just pinch this clay up because that's going to be a foot. I'm just pinching it up so it looks like a foot, okay? Same thing here. Well, really a paw, right? Pinch it upward, okay? One thing we're missing, we are missing the polar bear's ears. So we're going to pinch those. Just take a little clay with your fingers and pinch it. Okay, so now I have his ears. And the last thing is we want to use something to just make some grooves. Let me just make sure he's standing up nicely, okay? Well, he's really sitting down. We do want to make some grooves in the feet, so for his paws. So I'll just make like 2 down here. You can use a popsicle stick or a scissor or a plastic knife of some sort. Okay, so now he has some little grooves. Okay, you don't really need to do anything to his face because we're going to draw the face on with black marker. So hopefully you have a black marker for tomorrow. If you don't have one, look for one tonight because you will need a black marker tomorrow to draw on the face. Okay, so that's your polar bear. Put it somewhere safe so it can dry tonight.